Good morning, students. So, my name is Darshan Chaudhari, class F5, where our subject is maths. So, today we are going to geometrical figure, that is circle and parts of a circle. So, let us start. Okay. So, before see the parts of a circle, first, what is meant by circle? So, exactly in simple words, that is circle has no shape and corner, that is circle. So, here. So, here, look, this is circle. So in that it has no shape, it has no corner, sorry, it has no corner and edges, right? So we can say that this is circle. Next is, okay, what is circumference of a circle? So let us know the circumference. So this outside boundary, look here, wait, wait, this, mm, okay. This outside boundary of a circle is complete distance around a circle, that is circumference of a circle, which is we have to calculate. If we uh, calculate the circumference of a circle, that for formula is circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula. This a complete distance around a circle is known as circumference of a circle. So this is our circle. In we if we as we know, in our daily life we see the many shapes are like circle, that is bangles shapes, a fan, rotating anything, that is the circle. Okay, so now let us moving forward, let us know the parts of a circle. So there is first important part is, let us know, let us draw it again. Wait. Okay, now let us draw a circle. So do you see this circle? Okay, so let us know, let us take the points. Okay, this is point O. Suppose this point O, and this point is, this one is A. A. All right. So this point A, this point A, So wait here. From this figure, we learn this one. So suppose in this circle, point P is center of a circle and M is around the circle point, that is okay. So MP or point PM is the radius of a circle. The the line joining the center of a circle at any point of a circle is called radius of a circle. So line or segment PM is the radius. Okay, here PM is the radius. This one is the radius. So before that, what is uh, the main definition of circle is a circle is a closed curved surface with set of all points which are at fixed distance from a fixed point. So fixed point we called it as center of a circle, and which are at fixed distance with our radius of a circle. This is the circle. A circle has many radii. They are all of same length. Okay. Circle has many radii like this. Here also, here also, here also, here also. We can draw many with same length. So this is the radius of a circle. So now next is what is chord. Next is what is chord. Here see we see the definition below. Look here, a line joining two points on a circle is called chord. In diagram, M and N are 2 points of a circle. So here, these points, these points M and N joining 2 points on a circle is called as chord. Or we can one more assumption like this on this point. Wait, hmm, suppose we draw this line from here to here. Suppose this is diameter, but diameter is also a longest chord of a circle. So this, suppose this point is P and this one is Q. So point PQ is also a chord. Okay. So we can draw many chords, infinite chords on circle like this, like this on a circle. So these all are the chord of a circle. The line joining 2 points on the line joining any 2 points on a circle is called chord. Okay, line MN is a chord of a circle. Now next is diameter. What is diameter? So a chord passing through a center of a circle is called diameter. Or we can say a line joining any 2 points on a circle which, okay, a line joining any 2 point of a circle which endpoints, these endpoints whose lies on circumference of a circle. This around boundary which we called as circumference of a circle. Okay, so this is the diameter. So we can draw here diameter also like this. So this is also a diameter. This is also a diameter. We give it point ST, give it point AB. So this is also a diameter. Okay. So a chord passing through a center of circle is called diameter. Or we can also say that a point joining any 2 point on a circle whose endpoints lies on circumference of a circle, which is diameter. Here, therefore, chord AB is also diameter of a circle. Okay. Now next is here we solve the example. Okay, solve the example. So the example is the center of a circle below is 0. There are other points and lies given in the diagram. Find the radii and chords and diameters in the diagram and write their names. Suppose first see this diagram. This one is. So what we see here, first we have to find radius. So let us one by one. Let's write one by one. So here OS and OP is the radius. Also line OT and line OM is also a radius. Now next is we have to find diameter. So here diameter is line PS, line TM or MT, whatever is there. You can write any. Next is chord. So line PS and line TM and line MN. These are the chord of a circle. So here we learn today. Okay. So here we learn today circle. What is circle? We see the parts of a circle, that is the radius, center of a circle, next circumference of a circle, chord of a circle, and diameter. Now let us see the relation of radius and diameter. So if you have to calculate diameter, then what is the relation between diameter and radius? Which is diameter is exactly diameter is equal to 2r, which means half of radius. So if I have to calculate radius, then we can simply this multiply to get divided by diameter. So here we got also radius. So this is the relation between diameter and radius. Okay. So this is all about circle and their parts of a circle. Okay. Thank you.